Hi guys, and welcome to the fifth installment of my tutorial series on how to create a free website using Weebly.com. So hopefully you're up to speed with where we are at with this tutorial. If not, go back through the previous tutorials. There's another 4 and then we'll be on the same page, as they say. So without further ado, let's get stuck in. So in this tutorial we're going to have a look at how we bring in images to our website. We've already done that to a certain extent with creating our banner image, so now we're going to start looking at other ways of manipulating and using images in Weebly. So if we come over to the Build tab, make sure that that is selected. So you'll see over here we have the building blocks. I'm going to grab this image building block, so left button down on the mouse, drag that over, and I'm going to place it just there. So now we have this window appear, and this is where we can upload an image. Now with this website, what I'd like to do is actually advertise the fact that there is a YouTube channel to go with it, and a nice way of doing that would be to include a YouTube logo. This doesn't just have to be YouTube, it could be BBC, it could be Netflix, it could be anything like that that you want to show your website is linked to. In order for this to look professional, you need to find what's called a transparency. This can be quite tricky to achieve, but it's worth persevering because it does look good. So at the moment we're in Weebly. I went to Google Images. So there we are, Google search, Google Images, put in YouTube logo, and then this selection appeared. I selected this one because you may be able to see it has a checkered background. That means that the background is transparent. So I selected that, clicked on this here. That then took me to this website where these transparencies are that are free. I decided I wanted to use that one, so I clicked on that. That then took me to this page, and then if I scroll down, you'll see there's a download option, so I clicked on the download, and then you'll see that the image has appeared down here. If I click on that and show in folder, we'll see that in our downloads, this PNG, it has to be a PNG for this to work, this PNG has appeared in our downloads folder. So at this point what I would do is right click and copy that, and then put that in a folder where you're keeping all of your images for your website, and I've already put it in there. Okay, so now that we have our image in our folder, I've come back into Weebly. I'm going to click on this upload image icon, which then brings up this window. Upload a photo from your computer, click on that, and then I'm going to go to the folder where all the pictures are that I'm using for my website. Go into there. Here is the transparency that we've just found. I'm going to click on that and click on open, and here we are. Here is our transparency. So as you can see, it's not just a block picture, it's actually, because it's transparency, we get some shape to it. Clearly this is a little bit large, so if I grab this resize image handle here, I'm going to hold the left button down on the mouse and pull that over, and do that once more, bring that down to about that size. I want to move that below the text, so I'm going to grab the handle here. So you see when we move over this handle, the cursor changes, left button down on the mouse, and I'm going to pull that down and wait till the blue bar appears underneath the text box, and then let go, and we have our image below the text. So there we have it. There is a transparency of a YouTube logo for our home page on our website. Lastly, let's have a quick look at placing a gallery into our website. So if I scroll down here, you see there's a banner picture down here that's already been added because of the template we're using. Let's remove that. So we come to the corner here and click on delete and take that out. And then if we come over to our building blocks, you'll see next to the image block that we were using before, there is a gallery block. So left button down on the mouse, let's drag that over and place it. And now we have a gallery section for our website. And the same as the image block, there's an upload images icon appearing here. I'm going to click on that. Upload file from your computer. I'm going to upload 6. So I'm going to go into some pictures that I already have and select 6 pictures that I want to use for my website. So holding the control key down, I'm going to select that picture, that picture, that picture, and that picture, and finally this picture. Click on open. And all of our 6 pictures have been uploaded into the gallery space on our website. So a much quicker way of bringing a lot of imagery into your website using the gallery block in the build tab area. Okay guys, so now we know how to insert a transparency image into our website, and we also know how to create a gallery in our website. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.